Kingsville, come on in. We are in temporary fitness no more. We're back in Eagles dining room mode. Excited to keep coming at you with the videos. So first of all of our employees donated equipment, picked it up on Friday, Saturday, Sunday this last week. Everything went very well. Lots of grateful employees for sure. Then Monday, our team spent the day cleaning up the dining room, the alcove, and Riverview room. We got everything off the walls, patched up, all the equipment's out, cleaned up, and got it ready for prep work. And that started today. So we came in the main doors. All the carpet is up throughout the entire facility. If you haven't seen our brand new outdoor patio yet, come on, check it out. Furniture is awesome. We opened the service alley back to the bar. We also opened the service alley back to the kitchen. We're back here in the dining alcove. And then we're gonna go back to the Riverview room. The paint crew has actually already started today, so we're gonna take a look at the paint. We have new furniture coming in here as well. New lighting, it's gonna go up on the tracks. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be about 2 more weeks, but we're gonna be back in here soon and ready to go. That crew's already started, cleaned out all the closets, cleaned out all the space. We are already getting to work. Excited to keep the video updates coming, and we'll have more as we keep going along the project. Thanks, Kingsville.